What up, man? It's your boy Waved Up Cash. This is my first video. And this is just a little intro. Kalamazoo, Michigan. 17, about to be 18 in 1 month. But I'm gonna be doing like wave checks, wave tutorials, stuff I use, like what it look like when I brush my hair, you know, do-rags, brushes, all of that. This like my go-to right here, Torino Pro medium curve. And then this is like my little throwaway brush. Like, it's not really a throwaway brush, but like I brush that with my hair. It's a multi-task brush. I got a couple do-rags, but I'm gonna let y'all see my waves first. So then show y'all what it look like closer. I said I've been woofing for probably like 2 weeks. I wouldn't really call it a woof, you know, but I don't really like how my hair look when I woof it, so I'm just gonna woof it till next month for my birthday. I'm gonna let it cut. And after that, I'm gonna really woof for a long time. But thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it, man. Wave downtown.